Section 2 of the technical documentation shall focus on information supplied by the manufacturer. That means that you should put into, or you must put into your technical documentation a complete set of labels, instruction for use, and information you're supplying to users. So this element is specifically important and a bit new compared to older directive, because here we now have the clear requirement that you need to provide languages as required by each member state. If you want to put your product on the market in a specific country, you need to be aware of the language requirements there. And if you create a manual specific for that country, you will have to put it into your technical documentation, so it will become part of your technical documentation. If you initially want to receive an approval for a device, you might not yet be able to provide 20 or more translations of your master IFU. We are aware of that, and we want to approach this pragmatically. So if you provide the technical documentation with the instruction for use in German and English, that's something we can work with. Additionally, a translation process, of course, needs to be in place, and through the translation process, you'll make sure that each country will receive the language it requires in the instruction for use. That makes it for you a bit easier to compile the technical documentation, and we will be able to look in an audit after your translation process. The same is true for labels, so wherever you have labels that include written text, you also need to provide that written text in the languages required by the member states.